Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are fine. Stay safe at home, students. If all of you completed the science classwork or not, I already forward notes for 3 lessons such as microorganisms, matter around us, and measurement. So, all of you mark the objective answers in your textbook and must copy only very short answer and detailed answer in your science classwork. Okay, students? Now, welcome back to 8th standard science video class. Today, let us start with the continuation of the lesson changes around us. In previous video class, I explained about the conditions necessary for chemical reactions such as physical contact, solution of reactants, electricity, heat, light, and catalyst. Now, let us discuss about the effects of chemical reaction. That is, the chemical reaction cause some harmful effect to living beings, and the effects are categorized into two types: biological effects and environmental effects. The biological effects such as spoilage of food, rancidity of fishes and meats, apple and fruit turn brown when cut, and the environmental effects such as pollution, rusting and tarnishing. Let us discuss the effects of chemical reactions elaborately. First one, biological effects. In biological effects, we learn about the spoilage of food and vegetables, rancidity of fishes and meat, and apple and fruit turn brown when cut. First, we will discuss about spoilage of food and vegetables. Spoilage means any change that causes the food unfit for human consumption, that is known as spoilage of food. That is, unfit for human consumption is known as spoilage of food. For example, rotten eggs develop a bad smell due to the formation of hydrogen sulfide gas, and decaying of vegetables and fruits due to microorganisms. These are the example for some of the example for spoilage of foods and vegetables. And second one, rancidity of fishes and meat. Fish and meat which contain high level of polyunsaturated fatty acids. If it is exposed to air or sunlight, it undergo oxidations and release bad odor. This process is known as rancidity. When the fish or meat exposed to air or light, it undergo oxidation and release bad odor. That process is known as rancidity. To avoid this rancidity process, what will we do? We freeze the fish and meat in refrigerator to avoid the oxidation and rancidity of fish and meat. And next one, apple and fruit turn brown when cut. You already well known about it. If we cut the apple, after sometimes its skins turn into brown color. I hope all of you noticed these changes. Why it turned into brown color and what is the reason for that? An apple contains an enzyme such as polyphenol oxidase and tyrosinase. If we cut the apple, these enzymes are contact with atmospheric oxygen to form a brown color pigment which is named as melanin. Due to this chemical changes, the skin of apple turn into brown color due to the formation of melanin pigment. So these are the biological effects of chemical reaction, that is spoilage of food and vegetables and rancidity of fishes and meat, and apple fruits turn into brown when cut. And next we will learn about environmental effects. In environmental effects, there is an unwanted change in physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment is known as pollution, and the substance which cause the changes is known as pollutants. So, in environmental effects, we learn about pollution. Generally, we already know there are three types of pollution is there: air pollution, water pollutions and land pollution. First one, air pollution. The chemical substance which is responsible for air pollution is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and oxides of sulfur and nitrogen and chlorofluorocarbons, methanes, etc. What are the effects of air pollution? It causes acid rain, global warming and lot of respiratory problems. And next one is water pollution. The chemical substance which is responsible for water pollution is wastewater containing chemical substances, example dyeing industries and detergents and oil spillage. These are the chemical substances which is responsible for water pollutions. And effects of water pollution is it decreases the quality of water and it affects the lot of water living animals and it causes skin diseases, etc. Next one, land pollution. The substance which is responsible for the land pollution is fertilizers like urea and pesticides, herbicides, etc. And the effect of land pollution is spoilage of land and it causes lot of respiratory diseases. In environmental effects, next we learn about rusting. Rusting is the process, that is the iron metal comes in contact with water and oxygen. It undergoes a chemical reaction that is known as rusting. The iron which is contact with atmospheric oxygen and water to form iron oxide, that chemical reaction is known as rusting. The brown layer is formed in the surface of iron, that is known as rusting. And next one is tarnishing. That is the shiny metal surface lose their shining appearance due to the chemical reactions. For example, silver is a shiny metal and it becomes black when in contact with atmospheric air. To form silver oxide, that is the black layer is formed in the silver apparatus. So, this process is known as tarnishing. And next one is, and we already know the chemical reactions produce, when the chemical reaction takes place, it produces heat, light, sound, etc. First one, production of heat. If you rub your palms in winter season, what will happen? Or you notice the heat is produced that make it as in warm. So, this chemical reaction also produce the heat energy. Such reaction is known as exothermic reaction. And another one well known example for this production of heat is, take some detergents and mix the detergents in water, and to mix it with your hand. After some times you notice that the warm, that is the heatness of in your hand, it can be produced due to the chemical reaction of detergents. So the chemical reactions to produce heat. And next one is production of light. Some chemical reactions like the products produce light. For example, when a piece of magnesium ribbon is burned in flame and it produces bright light. And well known example is matchsticks. If we take the matchstick and rub it on one side of the matchbox, the chemical reaction takes place to form heat and light. And next one is production of sound. Some chemical reactions produce sound when they takes place. These substances kept in the crackers undergoes some chemical reactions to produce sound. And during chemical reactions, some of the gas are evolved from this. For example, if you open the soda bottle, what will happen? The air bubbles or comes out due to the chemical reactions takes place in this bottle. That means the carbon dioxide gas is evolved from this in the form of air bubbles to produce a chemical reaction. So during chemical reactions, the gases are evolved from this. And next one, change in color. When you place a iron nail in a solution of copper sulfate, to take a copper sulfate solution in a test tube and iron nail is immersed into this, what will happen? After some times, the blue color of copper sulfate slowly changes into green color due to the chemical reactions happened in the solutions. So during the chemical reactions, the color can be changed. And next one is change in state. For change in state, we are well known about that. Example is to take a small ice cubes and place it in a plate. After some times, what will happen? The ice melts into water. That is, the solid state of ice cubes changes into liquid state. That is known as, during the chemical reaction, the state can be, physical state of the substances can be changed. And another one example is to burn a piece of camphor. Camphor is a solid state substance. If you burn it, what will happen? The smokes are come out. That is, the solid state of camphor changes into gaseous form. And this is the another one example for chemical reactions. During chemical reaction, the physical states can be changed. So students, I hope you understood about changes around us, that is chemical changes, what are the conditions necessary for the chemical changes, and effects of chemical reactions, that is the biological effects and the environmental effects. And during that chemical reactions, heat, light and sounds are produced, and the gases, evolution of gases, change in color and change in state also happen during chemical reactions. Thank you students. Thanks to all.